Yes, welcome back to the channel, and it is day 20. We are back on Brad's house. The series continues, and we are here on a Sunday. At the time of filming this, it is 8:22 and the 16th of November on a Sunday. And I won't lie, it's the first Sunday I've ever worked in my life. I was going to try and go my whole entire life without working a Sunday. You dosser, what a dosser. Because why not? Maybe that's a bad way of thinking. I'm now that motivated and mature as a person. I've got out of bed on a Sunday after watching the worst boxing match in history from Chris Eubank Jr. to come do some 140 blocks. So we've got what we've got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs of 140 block work. It should theoretically run in line with this. If Brad turns up, he has got some lintels on his truck. This also needs doing. How much we could do today? I don't know. Things need to be done. So now we need to have a fucking big bump out, which I actually don't mind. It's for a reason. Yes, we are rolling. So here's my door, 860 opening, single block pier, and then I can run it in here, down into there. It's all running smoothly. What's the odds on that? It's gonna run smoothly on a Sunday. On a Sunday, I'm just waiting for like a little hiccup to happen to ruin my mood, because so far we're cruising. So.
It's not, but it's not there.
It's bang on, just not there. Maybe just tap that middle bit in then. Doing his first proper bit of block work here. We'll go assess the damage.
Fucking don't.
Once he's got one. To be fair, the speed's there. You're doing it at a good. Oh well.
I actually thought it was going well.
Let me do this course, so then we'll come have a butch.
Yeah, it's that. It's saying now, like looking at Alfie's, there's gaps everywhere.
That's all. I'll tell you what he ain't done, he ain't ranged this through.
Well annoying.
Had we known, we could have built them in properly. Well, thanks for the Chinese then, seeing as you're keeping the price a secret. Yeah.
Oh, it's my boss. They gave it to you for free.
Oh, sweet.
So at the end of the night, I was like, I need to settle up my mate. And no, don't worry about that.
Oh, is it?
So I was like, I'll grab my breakfast. I got out of a Chinese last night, heavily discounted.
Sick.
And he went paid, he just come out of the toilet, paid it. I was like, fuck's sake now.
Where did... Ad works in a Chinese, doing Chinese deliveries, a bit of cash revenue.
All tax.
Don't know if you can see it on the camera. All these stones and grit in the muck. Forget any technique you've ever learned about bricklaying, because it's all out the window, because nothing is sticking. If this sticks now, it's because the camera's rolling. Exactly what I thought. Fucking horrendous. Or we can snipe it. Here we go, we are going to assess percolator.
We do this every time we turn the camera on, but you call me the percolator when the camera's not on.
Team TL we're going to put. TM.
TL.
TM.
TM.
Team member.
Team member.
Okay, so we've got massive gaps there, which, well, it's got to be the concrete one. That one is pretty nearly there. This is the important one, almost there as well. Couple of little taps here and there. Boom! What is the time? 2:51 on a Sunday, mate. Blockwork up 6 courses. We've got all lintels on. However, we haven't backed the lintels up because we haven't got no DPC. So we've got the lintels on. Just need to back them up. So Brad's looking to take one person here for one day, just to throw this wall up, because that is taking all the joists. Joists are coming all this way. Even though there's a wall here, this wall's taking the joists. So one more day on the blockwork. Probably 2 days left. Blockwork, and to wrap that brickwork all the way around. And then it's ready for the next lift. I think that's been a good performance. Look. Shouldn't really do it like that, but need to get it in for the joist men. So my van is on its last legs. However, I would like to teach you a trick. My water has got a bit of a leak. As we're going to see in a second, I bet it's bone dry. Bone dry. That looks like a shitty arsehole. However, if you get some semi-skimmed milk, right, and then you pour this semi-skimmed milk into the hole. I usually go semi-skimmed because the fat content is easier for the engine to pump around, and it should see me all the way home. If you used full fat milk, it don't quite work as well. It has to be semi-skimmed. Do that up, hopefully. That sees me home.
What if your fan's lactose intolerant?
And if your fan is lactose intolerant,
Use soy milk.
yeah, you got soy milk, almond milk. However, Muller semi-skimmed milk is the way forward. So there we go. There's a little trick. Voila! I am praying. This fan gets me home. Look, you can see the time there. 2:58. I've got an hour and a half, potentially 2 hour drive home from this job. Just filled it up with my milk. Please, of all days. I mean, there could have been worse days that I break down, but can you hear that? Jesus Christ. 2 hour drive home. I think it's 80 odd miles. It's a mission of all days. Please get me home today. Don't want to be broken down on the M25 or M11 on a Sunday. So, thank you for watching. Wish me luck, and I'll catch you next time. Yes, 420 and absolutely zero petrol. But somehow we made it home. Come on, Nemo!